Yo. I finally got the first order. We've got a Starbucks. This is $8.50 going 5 miles. Next order up, we've got a Seize the Bagel. This one's gonna be $10 going 6 miles.
We win. Oh, there you go.
Thank you. I swear, it starts sprinkling in the morning and people just completely forget how to drive. I keep getting people that are going like 20 miles an hour in a 40. Like, come on. Got places to be, my guy. Next up, we've got an order for Cupidone coffee. This is gonna be $7 and some change, going just under 3 miles. Morning. For Liana?
Yeah.
Thank you. You as well. Got the next order right away. This is gonna be for Mr. Maple Donuts. $10 and some change, going 2.5 miles. Hello. Got to pick up for Sean L.
That's all that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Okay. Oh, I read it as 6, like individuals. Okay, that makes sense.
Good luck. You might want to do trips. Just in
Yeah.
case. I recommend it.
Yeah, I'll
I
do
like
it.
the little setup there.
Oh, thank you.
I would like cheesecake. How many there?
That is a lot of donuts. I'm pretty sure this is going to a car dealership, so they must have done pretty well last month. I've got the next order lined up right after this. It's gonna be for Starbucks, $10 going 4.5 miles. I always hate dropping off at car dealerships because I never know where I'm supposed to be dropping off. And of course there's nowhere to park, so I'm just gonna park right here. I'm sure they won't mind. Now I need to go find where I'm actually supposed to drop this off.
Come on in, man.
Yep,
Come on,
okay.
Come on out of the cold.
Thank
You
you.
can set them up on this desk right up here. I'll show you, man.
Gotcha.
All right, man. It's 131 swim.
All right, I guess that wasn't too bad. On to the next one. What is this? Ooh. They're giving me an add-on for Voodoo Donut. $13 going an extra 5 miles. Yeah, I'll take that. That is really good. Thank you. Hello. Gotta pick up for Ben.
There you go.
Thank you. Both of these orders were ready for me, so we are hustling. Okay. How do I get in here? I mean, I guess I'll just park and walk over because the building is right there. It has officially been 20 minutes since my last order. I'm not taking that one. And it is just slow. Okay, well, this one's not going to be ready anytime soon. Wait, is this going where I think this is going? I think this is the same customer from earlier. This might be going to the car dealership again. But this one is a Chick-fil-A, $9 going 2 miles. Thank you.
Have the order for Sean right here.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good one.
You too. Of course, that was a wait I should have known better. They had a big donut order earlier. Of course, they were gonna have a lot of nuggets on this order, but we got it. This one's going to a different building, but it is the same customer technically. Please enter. Bro, I don't need the life story. This guy is spamming me, saying I'm ordering all kinds of food, donuts, chicken, blah blah blah. I don't care, dude. I don't care. Hello.
Greetings. Those are our sauces, and then or at least the chicken.
Everything's in those.
Oh,
Just 1 second. I just need to double check I got the right thing.
seems light for 90 pieces of chicken, but
That's what they gave me. Yeah, I saw them pack it. You know what? Since it's so slow and I'm gonna sit next to the Chick-fil-A anyways, I'm gonna go inside and ask them if they actually gave me the right amount of chicken. Basically just because I'm bored. Excuse me. Do you remember how many pieces of chicken was in that last order you just handed to me?
It was 330 counts.
So it was 90 total?
Yes.
Okay. There you go. Straight from the source. Better get my full tip then. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $14 going 7 miles, 2 items. And then just scribble on that line for me.
Oh, it went all crazy. It's got a scribble on it now.
Good enough for me. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 and some change, going just under 5 miles, 4 items.
Oh, yeah, this is her.
Yeah, we're not doing that. We are not doing that. Way too many people. I've never seen that store that packed, even like before Thanksgiving. That's crazy. All right, we got an order. This is gonna be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $13 going 6 miles, only 1 item. Morning. Hello. How's it going?
I have a dog this big that will tear you apart.
I believe it. It's always the small ones. And then just scribble on that line for me.
Thank you. That was really fast. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good day. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it here. Unless I get a good order before I get home, this is probably gonna be it. Current time is 11:38. Total is 106. But anyways, enough rambling. I am gonna head home. So that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.